How to find off-page SEO clients on Quora. Are you an SEO professional struggling to find off-page SEO clients? Look no further. In this video, we will guide you on how to effectively utilize Quora, a popular question and answer platform, to find potential off-page SEO clients. With the right strategies and techniques, you can attract interested clients and grow your business. Don't miss out on this opportunity to boost your SEO client base. 5 keywords. Off-page SEO. Quora. Finding clients. SEO professionals. Business growth. Intro. Host. Welcome back, SEO enthusiasts. Are you struggling to find off-page SEO clients? Today, we have an exciting topic for you. We will show you how to find potential clients on Quora, a platform with millions of active users. Follow our step-by-step guide to unlock a plethora of business opportunities. Let's dive in. How to find off-page SEO clients on Quora. H2, the power of Quora for business growth. Host. Before we jump into the specifics, let's talk about why Quora is an excellent platform for finding potential off-page SEO clients. Quora is a platform where users ask questions and get answers from various experts and enthusiasts. It's filled with professionals across different industries, making it a goldmine for identifying potential clients. H3, benefits of using Quora for off-page SEO client acquisition. Massive user base. Quora has millions of active users, providing a vast pool of potential clients for your off-page SEO services. Targeted audience. Users on Quora are actively seeking information and solutions, making it easier to identify individuals interested in SEO services. Relevant content. Quora hosts a wide range of topics, including SEO and digital marketing. This ensures that the content and discussions are directly related to your services. Authority building. By providing valuable answers and insights on Quora, you can establish yourself as an authority in the SEO industry, attracting potential clients' attention. Networking opportunities. Engaging with other professionals on Quora can open doors to meaningful connections, collaborations, and client referrals. H2, strategies for finding off-page SEO clients on Quora. H3-1, optimize your Quora profile. Host. Having an optimized Quora profile is crucial for creating a good impression and attracting potential clients. Follow these steps. Professional display picture. Use a high-quality and professional-looking display picture to present yourself as a reliable expert. Relevant bio. Craft a concise and engaging bio that highlights your expertise, specifically in off-page SEO. Link to your portfolio or website. Include a link to your website or portfolio where potential clients can learn more about your services. H3-2. Identify relevant questions. Host. To find potential clients, you need to identify questions related to off-page SEO and digital marketing. Here's what you should do. Search relevant keywords. Use relevant keywords like off-page SEO, backlink building, or SEO strategies to discover questions related to your expertise. Follow relevant topics. Follow topics like SEO marketing, digital marketing, or online advertising to stay updated on the latest discussions. Filter by popularity and recency. Sort questions based on popularity and recency to prioritize those with a higher number of views and recent activity. H3-3. Provide value through answers. Host. Simply identifying questions is not enough. You need to provide value through your answers to intrigue potential clients. Here's how. In-depth answers. Provide detailed and comprehensive answers that showcase your expertise and offer valuable insights. Use case studies. Support your answers with real-life examples and case studies to demonstrate your skills and expertise. Link to additional resources. Whenever possible, include links to relevant articles, blog posts, or videos to provide additional resources for interested users. H3-4. Engage and build connections. Host. Engaging and building connections with other professionals on Quora.com can present unanticipated opportunities. Follow these steps. Follow influencers. Identify and follow influencers and industry leaders in the SEO and digital marketing space. Upvote and comment. Upvote and comment on valuable answers to engage with their authors and attract their attention. Offer collaborations. Reach out to professionals, suggest collaborations, or offer to provide guest content for their blogs or websites. H3 to 5. Establish credibility and authority. Host. Building credibility and establishing yourself as an authority will help attract potential clients. Consider the following actions. Consistent activity. Regularly engage on Quora by answering questions and offering insights to establish yourself as an active presence. In-depth content. Create longer-form answers or even write blog posts offering comprehensive insights on off-page SEO topics. Share success stories. Showcase your success stories and past achievements to build trust and credibility with potential clients. H2, outro. Host. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide on finding off-page SEO clients on Quora. Remember, implementing these strategies and techniques consistently is key. Don't overlook the power of active engagement, providing value, and building connections. Start leveraging Quora to expand your off-page SEO client base and propel your business growth today. Thanks for watching. Host, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more valuable content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy client hunting on Quora!